A very good morning to my dear viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Arun Reddy. Let us continue the next aspects of one mark question, which is related with the MCQs. That is, total cost is represented as. There are four options: total variable cost, total fixed cost plus total variable cost, average cost plus marginal cost. So always total cost is equal to total fixed cost plus total variable cost, TFC plus TVC. So this option is correct. Next question is, the product in a perfect competition are always homogeneous product. Homogeneous means same kind of goods, same kind of products. For example, wheat is selling, jawar is selling, sugar is selling, like that. So in a competitive market, always products are similar because the competitor is selling at the same price, at the same quantity, so that the customer is able to buy with any other sellers. So that's what in a perfect competition always it is homogeneous, not the heterogeneous. Next one is, the increase in the total revenue for a unit increase in the output is called as. Means if one input is increase, so what it considered as, so that we can understand, if an increase in the total revenue, that leads to marginal revenue. So increase in total revenue for a unit of increase in output is considered as a marginal revenue. It is also considered as a additional revenue, or you can say delta. Delta means change in the total revenue per unit of change in the output. So if the word change is included, that is purely we can understand as a marginal revenue. Next, the next question is, the firm profit is denoted by. The firm profit is always denoted by pi. Firm profit indicate pi. Pi is equal to price into quantity. You can understand, price into quantity. Profit is always denoted as a pi in economic terms. Next one is, when the supply curve is vertical, the elasticity of supply is. When the supply curve is vertical, elasticity of supply is always 0. Vertical elasticity of supply is always 0, like this, means it is purely 0. So vertical supply is always 0. Next one is, revenue per unit of output of the firm is considered as a average revenue. Revenue per unit of output is considered as a average revenue. Not it is a additional revenue, not it is a change in the revenue, only revenue per unit of output. Means it is not considered as a change in the revenue. It consider only revenue per unit of output. Next one is, in perfect competition, buyers and sellers are. What it is considered as a price taker. This is a very important question. In a perfect competition, always both buyers and sellers are price taker. Both cannot decide the price. So both has to receive according to the market conditions. So that in a perfect competition, always buyer and seller are price takers, not the price makers. This option is correct. Next, a situation where, this question is very important, a situation where plan of all consumer and firm in a market should match. It is called as a equilibrium situation. It is considered as equilibrium situation. So you can understand, equilibrium is always equal to quantity of demand is equal to quantity of supply. Equilibrium is equal to quantity of demand is equal to quantity of supply. Next one is, as a result of increase in number of firm, there is an increase in supply. Then the supply curve is shift towards rightwards. Means as a result of increase in number of firm. Suppose for example, you consider as the number of firm is here. If the number of 5 and 6 is the input, if the number of firm is increased from 5 to 6, then the output is also increased, supply is also increased up to 6. So this is the first original supply. Here the number of firm is increased, so the supply curve is shifted towards rightwards. This is rightwards. If the number of firm is decreased, that will shift towards leftwards. Next one. The firm earn supernormal profit as long as price is greater than minimum of average cost. So that if the firm want to earn supernormal profit, what is the supernormal profit? Above normal profit, so that it is achieved only when average cost should be minimum. Average cost should be minimum than the price. Next. The government impose upper limit on price of goods and services called as a price ceiling. This is a very important point. The government impose upper limit on price of goods and service, like some important commodities like rice, wheat, jawar, because it should not be sell in a black market. That's what the government want to increase at a higher price of this product. There is a question how the government can sell these products. These products can be sold by the government at a price shop. You can say at the price shop government can sell these kind of products. So that indicate as a price ceiling. Government impose upper limit, that is considered as a price ceiling. Next one is government impose lower limit. Lower limit is considered as government impose lower limit. Lower limit is considered as price flooring. Government impose lower limit. Lower limit is considered as price flooring. Government impose lower limit. Lower limit indicates price flooring. Upper limit indicates price ceiling. You can remember in keywords. Upper limit is price ceiling, lower limit is price flooring. Why this price flooring consider? These price flooring consider the agriculture commodities, agriculture things. Next one is market structure which produce heterogeneous product. What is a heterogeneous product? Variety of products are not same. If the market structure provide these kind of heterogeneous product, what it is considered as? It is considered as a monopolistic competition, not the monopoly competition. If the market structure produce heterogeneous product, it considered as a monopolistic competition. Next question is change in the total revenue due to additional. See the word change in the total revenue due to additional. Additional itself it is considered as a marginal, or you can say change. If the word change is considered, of the marginal word is considered, additional word is considered, it is known as a marginal. For selling an additional unit, what kind of revenue we can get? Marginal revenue. Next, when the price elasticity of demand is more than 1, marginal revenue is positive value. If the price elasticity is greater than 1, marginal revenue is positive value. This is a very important question and repeated for so many times. Next one, profit is equal to. Profit is equal to. What is the formula? Profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. Profit is equal to total revenue minus total cost. Profit indicates total revenue minus total cost. Remaining we can discuss in next class.